Hello, I would like to demonstrate the Lighthouse Bridge. It is a new toy made by Learning Curve for the Thomas Wooden Railway. This comes with the Lighthouse Bridge and bolstered the barge. When you raise the bridge, you can hear the barge horn blow as it's going through. You can also push the lighthouse roof to hear two different sounds and the lights turn on. Bolstered is a grumpy old barge and is only happy when he is floating with the load. And of course, Thomas likes to go over the bridge. Thank you for watching.